we now approximate tangent 46. So using ano yung pinakamalapit natin na pwedeng masagutan ng mas madali, it would be tangent 45, which is equal to 1. No? Using the special triangle, I hope you are aware na pag ito ang 45, this is x, this is x, this is x square root of 2. So the tangent of 45 is TOA, x over x, kaya naging 1. So yun yung maging a natin, 45. Our f of x would be tangent of x. Ang f of a ay tangent 45, which is equal to 1. Ano ngayon yung magiging f prime of x natin? Derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. So kapag kinuha natin yung f prime of a, secant squared 45, which is hindi natin masosolve. Pwede gumamit tayo ng technology or even your calculator cannot, pero we know the identity ng secant ay reciprocal ng cosine. Okay? So we can rewrite this as 1 over cosine squared 45. And what is cosine 45? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent ng 45 ay x using the special triangle, and then hypotenuse is x over 12. So magiging 1 over x square root of 2. Naka-square pa yan. Makaka-cancel out yung x. Tapos pag ni-rationalize natin yung denominator, nasa loob ng parenthesis, magiging square root of 2 over 2 square. Simplifying, you get 1 over 2 over 4. No? Kasi mag-isa square parehas. Tapos, rearranging the fraction, 1 divided by a fraction, so magiging 4 over 2, or simply 2. That's our f prime of a. Using the linearization function, 46, f of a is 1, plus f prime of a ay 2, times x minus a. So, 46 minus 45. So, magiging 1 lang yan, no? So, magiging 1 plus 2 times 1. This is 3. Pero to check, when you use your calculator and get tangent 46, ang makukuha natin ay we get 1.0355303114, which is not same. Okay? So, anong pwede natin gawin? So, ang hint when using your trigonometric functions is to use radians. Okay? So, we turn 46 to radians. You just multiply by pi over 180. So, that gives us 46 pi over 180. Si 45. So, magiging 45 pi over 180. Pwede simplify ng pi over 4. Gamitin natin sa linearization function. Pero pwede lang hindi pi over 4 para mas madali. No? 1 plus 2 kasi mag-minus lang naman yan eh. 46 pi over 180 minus 45 pi over 180. Di ba ang kalalabasan yan ay 1 plus 2 pi over 180? O 2 divided by 180 magiging 1 plus pi over 90 na lang. So, pwedeng ito na yung isagot, but when to check, this is 1.0349065585, which is same when rounded off.